Are you looking to combine two audio files into one seamless track? In this video, we'll show you how to merge two audio files using Adobe Audition. Let's get started. Open the first audio file you want to merge. Add another audio file. Go to the menu. Click on Open Append and choose to Current. And select your second audio file and click on Open. This is my first audio file. How to merge two audio files in Adobe Audition tutorial. This is my second audio file. How to merge two audio files in Adobe Audition tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial on merging audio files in Adobe Audition. Now you can combine your interviews, sound effects, and music. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if this video helps. And subscribe for more creative audio editing tutorials.